Hey everyone, today I've got something really exciting to share with you. It's a groundbreaking development in the treatment of autoimmune diseases. For the first time ever, scientists have managed to send autoimmune disorders into remission using bioengineered T cells from healthy donors. This revolutionary therapy was just reported in Nature on October 4, 2024, and it's offering renewed hope for patients who have battled these conditions for years. So, what's the science behind this therapy? At its core, we're talking about CAR T cells. These are T cells that have been engineered to target specific molecules on harmful cells. In this groundbreaking approach, the focus is on B cells, which are key players in many autoimmune diseases. Traditionally, CAR T therapies have been autologous, meaning they rely on the patient's own T cells. But in this breakthrough, the T cells were taken from healthy donors and then modified using CRISPR-Cas9 to boost their ability to hunt down and destroy the B cells that contribute to the autoimmune response. Researchers knocked out 5 different genes in the donor T cells to ensure 2 things. First, that they wouldn't attack the patient's body, and second, that the patient's immune system wouldn't reject the donor cells. This precise gene editing allows the engineered T cells to target and eliminate harmful B cells, potentially putting a stop to autoimmune diseases in their tracks. Now let's talk results. The initial trial involved 3 patients from China, each suffering from a different autoimmune condition. 1 woman with myopathy and 2 men with systemic sclerosis. All 3 patients saw significant improvements after receiving the modified T cells. Remarkably, the woman, who had severe muscle weakness, entered complete remission within just 2 months. Her muscle strength and mobility improved dramatically, and her harmful autoantibodies became undetectable. The men with systemic sclerosis also experienced profound changes. 1 patient, Mr. Gong, reported that within days of the treatment, he could move his fingers and mouth again, something he hadn't been able to do because of his condition. Over time, his symptoms continued to improve, and tests showed that his body's scar tissue was beginning to reverse. This new approach is a huge leap forward in the treatment of autoimmune diseases. Traditionally, these conditions have been managed with immunosuppressive drugs, which only alleviate symptoms but don't cure the disease. The success of this donor-based CAR T therapy could make it possible to scale up the treatment, using healthy donor cells instead of relying on each patient's own cells. This would make the therapy more accessible and less costly. The ultimate goal is to make this therapy widely available, offering a potential cure to millions of people living with debilitating autoimmune conditions. While more research is needed to determine the long-term efficacy and safety of this approach, the initial results are incredibly promising. Looking ahead, this therapy could mark the dawn of a new era in autoimmune disease treatment. Imagine a world where patients live symptom-free, without the need for lifelong immune-suppressing medications. As more data from ongoing trials becomes available, the medical community will be watching closely to see if this approach can become a standard treatment for a wide range of autoimmune diseases. Stay tuned for more updates on this cutting-edge therapy as research progresses. Thanks for watching.